Hello, my fellow eggheads. Welcome to our course on how to install a hard drive or solid state drive into your Dell laptop. Because what we're finding, a lot of our subscribers are saying, is that maybe they've successfully purchased a hard drive or solid state drive that's compatible with their computer, but some of the way along the way when they're installing it, it just doesn't work. Or perhaps they didn't realize you had to install an operating system after successfully installing a hard drive or solid state drive, because it is a process that has a few steps and it's easy to miss one. So what we did is we created this series where we'll have a video first on how to install your hard drive or solid state drive, then how to create a bootable USB so you can install an operating system on it, and then finally we'll show you how to install Windows 11 on that brand new hard drive or solid state drive. And we've also included an optional video for how to troubleshoot a common error that comes up with a lot of our subscribers. One of the benefits of a series from a YouTube channel is we often know what subscribers and do-it-yourselfers are struggling with. So at the end, we've included an optional video that you can watch or not watch depending on if that issue comes up for you. Let's begin.